So hello guys, welcome to the first episode of our 30-day YouTube channel challenge. Now basically this challenge is meant for anybody out there who is interested in starting a YouTube channel. However, this channel is 100% dedicated to Faceless YouTube channel, so everything we'll be doing will be more focused on those who are running Faceless YouTube channel. So if you are really interested in joining us and then getting along with this process, then you need to smash that subscribe button, as I'll be uploading a video on this particular topic on this particular episode for the next 30 days, meaning that for the next 30 days I'll be posting video every single day about our challenge. Now in this challenge, I'm not just going to be doing the things offline and then be sharing it here with you, but basically we'll be doing every single thing on this channel live and direct. So if I'm setting up the channel, I'm setting it up with you guys. Whatever thing I'm doing, I'm basically going to do it with you guys. So that is basically all about this challenge that you need to know. If you're really interested in starting a Faceless YouTube channel and then getting it monetized within 30 days, then I bet you need to follow this series to the very end. So guys, with this already said, I'm not taking much of your time. Let's get down to the first thing we need to do in the episode 1. Now basically in this episode 1, there's no much long thing to do. We are basically going to, first of all, create a fresh YouTube channel account. Yes, you heard me right. We are starting with a fresh YouTube channel account with 0 subscribers, 0 views, and every single thing at 0. And I'm going to create the channel live right now with you guys actually watching this video with me. So guys, what I basically need to do here is simply, in order to set up your YouTube channel, the first thing to do is simply come over to YouTube. Now once you come over to YouTube, you can see that let me basically go back to the YouTube homepage first. So now I'm back on the YouTube homepage. Now I will be using my laptop, but you can also do it on your phone. It's basically simple, the same process and every single thing. You just have to watch me get it done. Now in order to create a Faceless YouTube channel and then every single thing, the first thing to do is simply, once you come over to YouTube, click on where it says, click on your profile. A fresh channel from scratch. Now next thing you need to do here is simply click on create account, my personal use. Now I'm basically creating a Faceless YouTube channel, so I'm just going to name this channel whatever thing that comes into my mind. So let me just, okay, Ctrl Z, and then paste it in here. So basically I'm setting up the channel. As you can see right now, we're first of all creating a fresh email, then we use it to create this channel. So I'm just going to use my real date of birth info. Now you just have to follow me in case you're also setting up a YouTube channel. I already have other emails, but most of my emails I've used them I've associated them with several YouTube channels, so I don't want to do that here. So that's why I'm using a fresh one to do this. So you just have to follow. So now let me just say get email address instead. And then let me see. If this one will be available. I just made a mistake right there, but no problem. Let me just go back one step. Yep, I knew I made a mistake right here. And then next. Let me just add some numbers. Success motivation 101. Okay, that's not available, but there's another one here. Success motivation 565. Okay, just going to continue. And then I'm going to set my password. Now so next I'll just hit on next. Now I'm basically showing you how you can also create an email as well. Now recovery email address, I'm just going to skip it for now. Now review your account information. So basically you can see that we just created a fresh email. So guys, so basically in this episode, this is one of the best episodes ever. Okay, this is the second challenge I'm doing on this channel, if I'm not mistaken, but it's like I deleted the videos for any other challenge that I've done before because I cleared some videos off my channel recently, And the first challenge, it was for blogging. That was when I was doing blogging, but now I'm no longer into blogging, so we are fully into YouTubing. So that is basically it. So now once you set up your this thing like this, your new email like this, and then you set it up through YouTube, now you are going to see this place which says choose how you appear on YouTube. So now basically here you have to put in your channel name, and then here your channel handle, so forth and so on. Now guys, before we decide our channel name and the channel handle, then it's basically we need to pick our niche as well. Now when it comes to picking the niche, it's very important when it comes to content creation, because when you have a niche, you get to focus on a particular thing and then create your content around that particular thing. So for that reason, we are just going to click on not now, because in the next episode, that's where I'll be talking about actually picking your niche, and the video will come a day after this particular episode you are watching right now. So you just have to turn on your bell notification so that it gets notified when I release that particular one as well. So in the episode 2, we will be actually picking our niche, because the niche you pick will determine the channel name, because it's very important for your channel name to be related to your niche, as it makes it easier for users to recall, also makes it easier for people to understand the sort of content you are creating on your channel. So guys, that is basically it for this particular video. It's basically to announce to you that we are starting a new Faceless YouTube channel, and also to share with you how we're actually creating this channel. Now, after this, in the episode 2, I'm going to show you how you can actually pick your niche, so that with the niche you'll be able to decide how we are going to design our channel, like designing the profile picture, the cover photo, and also knowing the sort of content we need to create. Now, your name must not be perfect, as I already said, but then the niche will help make it a little bit more closer to that. So guys, now this is the episode 1. Please, if you watch this episode 1, don't jump, go and create channel and then start uploading random videos on it. Don't do that. Basically stick around and then wait for me to complete this whole series before we keep up with any other thing. So guys, this is it for the episode 1, and this is all I have for you in today's video. Is basically to show you that what we are starting a 30-day challenge, and then I've shown you how you can create a fresh YouTube channel by creating a fresh email. Yes, our advice is to use a fresh email for this particular challenge, so we'll keep everything 100% fresh and easy. So with this already said, guys, do what to smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and see you in the episode 2. Bye.